morning star, shooting star. All right. So what did we say about a morning star? 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 Did we do dodges yesterday? What did we say about a morning star type of a chart pattern, a candlestick chart pattern, a morning star? What did we say about a morning star type of a chart pattern? What did we say about a morning star type of a chart pattern? What did we say about a morning star type of a chart pattern? It shows a good bullish day. It signifies an uptrend. Okay. Possibilities of an uptrend. Possibilities of an uptrend. All right. Give me the composition of a morning star. Give me a composition of a morning star. How do you identify a morning star? Yes. How do you identify a morning star? If you say 3 candles, explain the 3 candles. I want you to explain the 3 candles. Yes, it comprises of 3 candles. But how can you identify these 3 candles? The morning star type of a chart pattern. You see, when you teach and then you don't ask questions, you will discover that along the line, Coach Julius will come and ask questions, and the people, they will be answering differently, and then Coach Julius will start looking for me. Yes, so I want to see if I do have my people here. If my people are not here, then we have to, I'm checking the answers. It has the 3 candles, all right? A bearish candle, a morning star, a morning star. 1 big bearish candle, 1 small bearish candle, and 1 big bullish candle. All right, that one is good. Yes, tall bearish candle, small bearish candle, and tall bullish candle. All right, the first bearish candle, and then in the middle there's a small red candle, and the third one is a strong bullish candle. That is a morning star for you. Okay. All right. Okay. For the sake of time, thank you for those answers. Yes, it is the composition of 3 candlesticks. All right. The first candle, it is a bearish candlestick, which is thick in terms of its body size. It's a big candlestick. It is big because it signifies that sellers, they are still in the market and they are in control. Don't forget that part. The reason why the first candle, it is a big bearish candle, okay? The pressure is strong in the first candle. It signifies that sellers, they are still in the market and they are in control, all right? And the second candle, it is a small candlestick. It can be a stick or it can be a bearish candlestick, but it is small in nature. It signifies also that sellers are still in the market, all right? They are still in the market, but they are failing to push the price further. They are failing to push the price further to the downside, okay? And then the last candlestick, which is the third one, it is a bullish candlestick. It signifies that buyers now they have taken over the platform. Yes, they have taken power from sellers. Now the market is likely to change direction. The market is likely to change direction. So that is the essence of the morning star type of a chart pattern. So the morning star has got a bearish version, okay, which is called the evening star. I'm not sharing screen. Someone is asking, are you seeing screen, guys? I'm not sharing my screen. I'm not sharing my screen. Okay. Yes, I'm not sharing screen. So you are really seeing nothing. I'm not sharing my screen. You are seeing nothing. All right. So let me share my screen. I was doing a recap. If you were here in the classroom yesterday, I don't think you need a screenshot or you need a screen sharing for you to know what I'm talking about. That is if you attended yesterday's class. If you attended yesterday's class, you don't need it to have a screen for you to be able to understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's proceed from where we left yesterday. So we did this candlestick chart pattern. This is what I was explaining, the morning star. All right, so this is the strong bearish candle. As you can see, the pressure. This is the small candle. Okay, it can be a bullish candle or it can be a bearish candle. And this is a complete bullish candle. All right, so the market is coming from that direction. It is hitting the support area. Yes, signifying a reversal to the upper side, right? So that's the morning star. This is how it is displayed when you go to your trading view. You might see I indicated that whenever you go to your trading view, before you do anything else, check where is the direction of the market? Where is it coming from? Where is it going to? In terms of trend, okay? The previous trend, is it a downtrend or was it a downtrend? Okay, the previous trend, was it an uptrend or is it an uptrend? Okay, so that you are able to see which direction the market might take from there. So if it was a downtrend, you should be expecting, all right, you should be expecting that the next trend that will follow, it might be an uptrend. Okay, yes, sometimes the market will do that ranging. It will range, but probably what it is preparing is either should be an uptrend if it does not continue to go to go down. So those are the things that we normally expect when the market has been trending downward. So this is the evening star that I was explaining about yesterday. All right, we do have a bullish candle. We do have a small candle here. It can be a bearish or a bullish one, but the last one, it is a full bearish candle. In this scenario, the market was trending upward. It has gone high up. Now, buyers, they are tired. They have taken enough profit from the market. Yes, they have collected. Their 3% have been achieved. So you might see the market changing direction because those who were buying, they are going to start selling. Okay, they will start selling. They can't push their muscle further up. That's why you see the middle candle, it is a small candle. It signifies that buyers, they are failing to continue pressing the price to the upper side. Okay, but here they were still in control. That's why you see the volume of the candle. All right, then you see the change of the market in terms of direction. So that is the evening star for you. So we also talked about hammer. Okay, we talked about a hammer. All right, I'm sure you are able to remember. If you were taking some notes, if you were taking some notes, there are people who just listen. Then after that, 24 hours, the information disappears. So I don't know why do they come to this training. Yes, it seems that they are not serious. So you have to be writing something that is meaningful to you. So we discussed about the hammer. We looked at the hammer as a market reversal signal to the upper side. It comprises of the opening price and the closing price. They are roughly at the same price. As you can see, the body is a small body, all right? So this signifies that the opening price and the closing price, they are roughly at the same price, all right? But what makes a hammer to be identified properly, it is because of the long lower shadow. The long lower shadow, it signifies buying pressure. Remember, the market came down, okay? Sellers were selling until the market further came to this level. So it was an opportunity to buy low so that people can sell high. So buyers came in here, started to buy. Yeah, bringing the price back to its opening. So this signifies buying pressure, all right? So when you see this, when the market has trended downward like this, then you see the upcoming of hammers or pin bars. You should expect that the market might likely to change direction to the upper side, all right? So that is a hammer, a market reversal signal to the upper side. This is how you might find it positioning itself in the trend, all right? That is how it positions itself in the trend. Market coming from the upper side, coming down there, it was a down, it has been going down. So here, it is the support level, all right? Sellers are tired, they needed to take a break and rest. Then you see the market changing direction, buyers taking over from sellers, okay? So we looked at the hammer upside down, which is called a shooting star, or it is also called a bearish pin bar, all right? So the formation is still the same. The only difference is that the hammer has been flipped. So the long upper shadow, it signifies selling pressure, okay? It signifies selling pressure. Buyers push the market high up there. Then sellers came in and say, no, buyers, you are no longer going to do this to us. Then price were pressed back down, probably to the opening, or it also passed the what? The opening. But this long upper shadow, it signifies selling pressure. So when the market has trended up like that, it has reached at the peak, at the high top, you are going to find out that when the market is trying to come down, some of the candlestick chart pattern that you might likely to see are these shooting stars, okay? You are going to see this when the market has pumped high up and then it wants to come down again. You are going to see around this area, this type of formation of candles, all right? So this signifies bearish market, signifies selling pressure, all right? So the market might likely to change direction. Okay, so that is how it positions itself in the market. That was a shooting star and a hammer. Yes, a shooting star and a hammer. Okay, let me come here and do some tweezers. All right, I'm gonna do some tweezers and I'm going to end with those other chart patterns. Okay, so let's come here and look at tweezers actually. Yes, let's look at the tweezers, right? Yes, so as we said that we are looking at chart patterns, which is a language of the market, all right? Chart patterns, they are a language of the market. So when we look at language of the market, you are going to see different shapes of candles. Okay, different shapes of candles. So when we identify these candles, where they appear, okay, where they appear, and because of their body appearance, they signify something. That's why we are trying to identify them, and then we do have names for them. Okay, so this is a time where we needed to understand about tweezers. They are candles that tweezes the market to the top, or they tweeze the market to the bottom side. Okay, so we do have tweezer bottoms and tweezer tops. Okay, tweezer bottoms and tweezer tops. All right, so when it comes to tweezers formation, especially the tweezer, let me bring here the tweezer top. Let me bring the tweezer top here. Let me start with the tweezer top. All right, so when it comes to the tweezer tops, okay, tweezer tops, they are considered as a bearish reversal market signal. All right, tweezer tops, they are considered as a bearish reversal signal. As you can see here, this is a bullish candle. It is a candle for buyers. And this is a bearish candle. It is a candle for sellers. So when it comes to tweezer tops, all right, when it comes to tweezer tops, this signifies a bearish momentum, bearish market coming from the top, then it wanted to go down. Can you see the position of the bullish candle? It is on the left side, meaning to say the market is coming from this direction. Okay, the market has been going up. Right at the top, you are going to see candles most likely in this shape. They look almost the same. Okay, they might be a little bit slightly different in terms of their sizes. Okay, but you are going to see that they are full-bodied candles. All right, full-bodied candles. The shadows, whether it is an upper shadow or the lower shadow, it has got very small shadows, right? So I want you to understand something when it comes to tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms. Okay, I want you to understand this. You can see the tweezer top. This is the tweezer top. It is starting with a bullish candlestick. Starting with a bullish candlestick. The market is coming from this direction. So the reason why it is called a tweezer top, okay, maybe someone will be confusing these two because of the word top, thinking that the market is going to be pushed to the upper side. Okay, I know some they might get a little bit of confusion, but it is the other way around. A tweezer top, it means the market has been tweezing upward. Now it is going to tweeze downward. Okay, are we together when we are talking about a tweezer top? So the formation of the candles is that the candles, they almost look alike in terms of their body sizes. This signifies pressure that is in the what? In the market. Okay, this signifies pressure that is in the market. So the tweezer top, it starts with a bullish candle. Okay, it starts with a bullish candle. Okay, and then it ends with a bearish candle. Okay, it starts with a bullish candle and then it ends with a bearish candle. All right, so you can see that the bullish candle and the bearish candle, they are almost at the same price levels. If you can look at them closely, I said sometimes they may have a shadow, but the shadows are small, okay? But their body sizes, they are almost equal, meaning to say where price opened for the buyers and where price closed for the buyers, then where price opened for sellers and where price closed for sellers, it is almost the same. Let me repeat. When you look at this candle, the price opened here. This is where the candle started. Okay, the price opened here. That was the opening price. Then the price closed here. Where the price closed, the next candle, the price also opened there. Okay, so when you look at the body sizes, the opening price and the closing price for both of the candles, they are likely, or they are roughly the same. That is a tweezer top for you. But you need to understand that there should be a bullish candle that begins and there should be a bearish candle that ends. Someone is busy helping me to write on the screen. I don't know what's happening. So this is a tweezer top. It tweezes the market to the downside. The market has been going high up there. Around this area, when buyers are resting, they are tired. They cannot push this market further to the top. You are going to see the formation of this type of candles. Candles that have got same pressure, same sizes, almost where the prices opened, where the prices closed, it is almost the same. I talking some sense? Let me come to the Zoom and confirm. Seems like I have started on a high note. Seems like I have started on a high note. Let me find out about the tweezer top. Yes. Are we together, guys? Am I speaking Greek here? Or I'm still speaking English about the tweezer top? The guys that tweezes the market to the downside. How do you identify them? So you can see the body sizes of the candle. They are almost the same, but mostly it is the pressure of the candle. How much volume was in the candle? Okay. I did not talk about a tweezer bottom. Someone is saying I should repeat the tweezer bottom. I didn't talk about the tweezer bottom. I'm talking about a tweezer top. I'm talking about a tweezer top. I didn't talk about a tweezer bottom. All right. So if you have understood the tweezer top, then it's gonna be easy for you to understand the tweezer bottom. So let me bring the tweezer bottom for you. So if the tweezer top is the one that tweezes to the downside, it means the tweezer bottom is the one that tweezes the market to the upper side. So you can see in this scenario over here, this is a tweezer bottom. Don't confuse the two. When we say a tweezer bottom, does not mean the market goes to the bottom side. That's why I was trying to emphasize that point. When we say a tweezer bottom, does not mean the market goes down. It is not a significance of market going down. No, it is the opposite. So a tweezer bottom, it is the one that starts from the bottom going up. A tweezer top is the one that starts from the top going down, meaning to say the market is going to change from the top. Moving from the top, it will go down when it comes to tweezer top. While when it comes to tweezer bottom, the market was trending downward, okay? The market was trending downward. It is reaching, or it is nearing the support level, okay? Yes, don't miss next week's lesson. One of the best coaches is gonna be here, Coach Musa. is going to teach us on how to draw support and resistance, and he's got his own way on how he teaches. All right, so don't miss next week's lesson so that you are able to understand the importance of support and resistance, how you can draw and how you can enter and exit the market. All right, so here I am just passing when I talk about support level and resistance level. Okay, yes, so the market is being supported down here when it is coming from the top. It is supported down here, right? So when it is nearing this support area, since it has been a downward trend for some time, you will discover the development of tweezer bottoms that are going to tweeze the market to the upper side. Okay, so I want you to pay close attention to these edges. Okay, the candles, they are almost the same when it comes to opening and closing of prices. Okay, that is tweezer bottoms and tweezer tops for you. So you needed to understand that this one, it is a market reversal signal to the upper side, while the other one, it is a market reversal signal to the downside. That is all about tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms. I think these ones, they are easy to identify. They are easy to identify because of the shape of the candles. All right, they are easy to identify, these ones. So you don't need to struggle to find them in the market. You can see them. You can see them. For example, can you see here? Can you see here? Can you see what happens here? The shape of the body of the candles. Market has been tweezing downward, meaning to say where it is coming from, probably they are tweezer tops. Okay, there was an appearance of tweezer tops. Now the market started to tweeze down, tweezing down, tweezing down. It has reached support. It is time for tweezer bottoms to come and tweeze the market to the top. So this is how tweezer bottoms and tweezer tops, they are displayed in the market. Okay, this is how tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms are displayed in the market. Are we together? Are we together on the tweezer tops and the tweezer bottoms? I have done now 2 of them. Somebody who was saying I should repeat the tweezer bottom. Now I have done the tweezer bottom. Are we still friends? Are we still friends now on the tweezers? Are we still friends on the tweezers? Are we still friends on the tweezers? Are we still friends on the tweezers? Okay. All right, we are friends. Okay. So let me bring these other guys that also are very important in the market. They are very important in the market. All right, because they also helps us understand where the market might go. Okay, where the market might go. Let me bring these other guys. Let me bring these other guys here. Okay, let me bring these other guys. So I'm bringing another type of a chart pattern. I'm bringing another type of a chart pattern. Can somebody in the chat summarize the chart patterns that we have gone so far, that we have done so far? Can somebody write down the chart patterns that we have done so far? I want to see. I want to see. I want you to write them in their order, starting with whether it is going to be the negative side or the positive side. I'm simply saying the one that signifies upward movement, the one that signifies downward movement. So if you are going to give me dodges, give me both of them. All right, if you are to write dodges, then give me both of them. Okay, because we are doing 2 2, 2 in their order. So I want to see so far, how many chart patterns have we done? How many chart patterns have we done? Yes, I want to see. I want to see how many chart patterns have we done. I'm checking the chart now. I want to see. There's no answer. Maybe people are still typing. People are still typing. How many chart patterns have we done? And what are they? And what are they? Okay, we have done hammer and the shooting star. What else? A hammer and a shooting star. What else? Engulfing bars. Okay. What are the two types of engulfing bars? What are the two types of engulfing bars? Okay, somebody has mentioned them. Bearish engulfing bar. I think he wanted to say bullish engulfing bar. He has repeated two bearish engulfing bars. Okay. Dodges. We did dragon and gravestone doji. Okay. We have done morning star. What is the other friend of morning star? What is the other friend of morning star? We have done tweezers, tweezer top, tweezer bottom. Okay. What else? What else? Evening star, morning star. People are repeating the same things. Evening star, morning star, engulfing bars. Okay. Tweezers. So tweezers, they have gone into the mind of people. All right. What about the hammer? Why people are not talking about hammer and pin bar? What happened to the hammer? Yes, it's only one person who has spoken about the hammer here. Yes, the hammer and the shooting star. We have done the hammer and the shooting star. We have done the engulfing bars in their groups, bullish engulfing bars, bearish engulfing bars. We have done dodges. Okay, we have looked at dragonfly doji. We have looked at gravestone dojis. All right. So we have done also what we call tweezers that we have just done now. We have done tweezers, tweezer tops, tweezer bottoms. Okay. So we did evening star, we did morning star. Okay. We did evening star, we did morning star. We did a hammer. Okay. We did a hammer and we did a shooting star so far. All right. So now I am here. I want us to talk about this group, this type of a group of chart pattern, which is called it is called white soldiers and black crows. There is a group of candles that are described as 3 white soldiers. All right. It is a group of 3 white soldiers. What are these white soldiers do? And then there is another group, which is the opposite version of the 3 white soldiers. They are called the 3 black crows. They are called the 3 black crows. All right. So we're gonna look at these ones for now. All right. Then if we're gonna have time, then probably I think we might end with another type of a chart pattern. That might be the last one. That might be the last one. Okay. Okay. So let's come and understand the 3 white soldiers. The 3 white soldiers. So when you come into the marketplace and you are analyzing the market using candles, you are going to encounter a group of candles that works in a group. All right. Because of their formation, they don't work alone. Okay. If those types of candles are developing, then they have to be 3 of them consecutively. They need to be 3 of them. So the 3 white soldiers, they are a chart pattern that signifies market movement to the upper side. Okay. Market movement to the upper side. It is signified by the 3 white soldiers. So this means that the market has been trending downwards. For you to see the white soldiers, you should first of all understand, or you should identify the previous trend. In this case, the market has been trending downwards. Okay, so if you don't see a dragon fly doji, remember a dragonfly doji is also found when the market has trended downward like this. All right, now it has reached the support level. If you don't see a dragonfly doji and you also don't see a bullish engulfing bar, okay, you don't see a bullish engulfing bar, neither do you see a morning star, okay, neither you see a morning star, or you don't see a hammer. I'm talking about market reversal signals to the upper side, okay? So if you don't see those, probably you might see the three white soldiers. They are always in group of three. Their formation is that when the first candle develops, okay, when the first candle develops, when it finishes developing, the next candle is going to develop as well immediately. Okay, so their formation is that they are in a defensive form. What do I mean when I say they are in a defensive form? They don't give a chance to sellers to enter. Okay, they don't give a chance to sellers to what? To enter. They normally close the gaps. You can see that when this candle developed, when it was ending, another candle came in just where the other one closed. The other one develops there. So they are full three-bodied candlesticks. But the first candle is different from the second candle in terms of their body sizes. Okay, you can see that this one, it is smaller compared to this one. This one is smaller compared to this one. So the formation is like start small, win big strategy. I don't know if I'm able to connect you to this. All right. So you can see this candle and this candle and this candle, the way they have formed themselves is like they are creating a defensive wall, so that sellers, if they happen to enter, but they should not be able to breathe. Yes, if sellers happen to enter here, they should not be able to breathe. They should not be noticed that they are sellers in the what? In the market. So they are three consecutive green candles that are following each other like a trailer. Yes, they follow each other like a trailer. So you can see this candle. When it finished, another one came in. Yes, there was some sort of selling. Okay, there was some sort of selling here. Can you see the shadow? Very small shadow, but the candle is still green. It tells you that buyers, they are still in control. And another one completed the race. So this tells you that it is going to be a very good uptrend. Now, when it comes to three white soldiers, they are mostly spotted when the market has been trended downward for a very long time. When these guys arises, you should know that it is going to be a very good uptrend. Yes. So it is time for you and me to prepare our crypto bags so that we can collect. So this is a three white soldier formation. I think one thing that I did not explain is that when we are doing our technical analysis to try to identify these chart patterns, we needed to do them in longer time frames, like 4 hours, for us to find these chart patterns, and they should be valid ones. We should find them in longer time frame, like 4 hours, 1 day. All right. Yes, because you cannot look for chart patterns in 30 minutes. Okay, it means it is not going to be a solid analysis, but identify and analyze your market in a longer time frame. Okay, so that the pattern should be a valid pattern. So these are the three white soldiers. signifying upward movement. Okay, the market has been trending downwards. Then it has reached the support level where sellers, they are resting. They cannot push the market further down. Okay, yes. So you are going to see the development of this. If you go to a trading view, maybe probably Monday. Yes, probably Monday. We might go to trading view and look at some of these chart patterns. I think we're gonna conclude on Monday. Then my fellow coaches will take it from there. Okay, we will conclude on Monday so that we can navigate the trading view. Remember, we started with the trading view, understanding the trading view. Then I think we should go back there and look at some of these chart patterns so that it makes sense about what we are teaching. Can you really find these patterns? So we're gonna go to trading view and look at these chart patterns. All right. So this is a 3 white soldier formation signifying market movement, which is a reversal pattern to the upper side. The formation is 3 candles that are forming consecutively. When one forms, when it closes, another one forms right there, closing the gap, not giving chance for sellers to appear that we are here. So sellers can be there, but they cannot be felt because of the pressure of buyers in the market. As you can see this, it's like a defensive motion. Yes, it's like a defensive motion. Buyers building a collaboration in terms of taking over the pressure or the power from sellers. Am I simplifying these things? Give me a 2 if you have captured the 3 white soldiers. If you have captured the 3 white soldiers, give me a 2. Give me a 2 if you have captured the 3 white soldiers. Give me a 2 if you have captured the 3 white soldiers. Give me a 2 if you have captured the 3 white soldiers. I think this is one of the easiest candlestick chart pattern you can find in the market. The 3 white soldiers, yes. These are a defensive mechanism. It is a defensive mechanism. It is a defensive mechanism. Yes. All right. So on Monday, we're going to come here. We are going to look for these guys, some of them, so that you are able to see when we say this is a morning star type of a chart pattern, live, how does it look like? Okay. When we say this is a gravestone doji, how does it look like in the chart? So we will try and locate them. When we say engulfing bars, we will try and locate them. All right. We will try and locate them. For example, what are you seeing here? What are you seeing here, ladies and gentlemen? What is this? What is this right here? What is this right here? Where is the market coming from? I'm trying to make this so that you see where the market is coming from. And how did it end here, right on top here? What is this formation right here? Give me an answer in the chat before I go back to the 3 white soldiers. Yes. What is this formation right here? Give me an answer in the chat. What's that formation? 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 Thank you so much. That's not a tweezer bottom. Someone says a tweezer bottom. Ah, is that a shooting star? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. A shooting star. Yeah. That's a tweezer top. It is a tweezer top. If you remember what I was talking, that is a tweezer top. If I can bring you a little bit back, this is what I was talking about the tweezers, right? I was talking about the tweezers. Where are tweezers? Can you see? This is a tweezer bottom, and this is a tweezer top. Doesn't it look like this? Doesn't it look like this? To those who were saying a tweezer bottom, is this a tweezer bottom? It is a tweezer top, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna go there on Monday. Let me conclude with the other part of the three white soldiers, which is this one, the three black crows. The three black crows. I put them together so that you are able to see the significance. This is the white soldiers, three of them. Well, this one, it is the three black crows. Their formation is the same. It is just flipped. You just need to flip this. Yes, you flip this. Then it is going to become the three black crows. Does it make sense? Do I need to explain further about the black crows, which are also three? Do I need to explain this? If you are able to pick the message behind the three white soldiers, do I need to explain more about the black crows? Do I need to explain more about the black crows? Do I need to do that? I don't think it's necessary. If you have understood the three white soldiers, then you also need to understand the three black crows. Yes, it is just that those black crows, it is the opposite version of the white soldiers. There is the word white and there is the word black. Yes, these colors, when it comes to us, you know what I mean. Yes, these colors, black and white. When you see black crows, when you see a black chicken and a white chicken, a black chicken and a white chicken, when somebody dreams of a black chicken and somebody dreams of a white chicken, when it comes to us Africans, it's a different story. All right. So I was just passing by on that one, but you are able to understand the significance of the three white soldiers and the three black crows. What do they do in the market? Yes. So I think I can end our class here. Then we're gonna finalize it on Monday. I think I'm left with one chat pattern. When I have done that one chat pattern on Monday, then we're gonna go to Trading View and look at these chat patterns. Yeah. Anyone with a question? Anyone with a question? Anyone with a question? Anyone with a question? Thank you so much to those that are wishing me happy Sabbath. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes. Anyone with a question? Anybody with a question? Tomorrow we don't have a class. We normally do Monday to Friday. Our technical analysis classes, they run from Monday to Friday. But our other Zoom meetings, they end tomorrow. Yes, our other Zoom meetings, they end tomorrow, Saturday. But technical analysis, it is only Monday to Friday. Yes. Yeah, these classes, they are already on YouTube. We do have these classes on YouTube. I did a training on this one and it was recorded. And yeah, even this one, it is also recorded. Okay, it is recorded. Can you see the live here? When you see this signal of a live, it means we are live on YouTube. Okay, we are live on YouTube. So you can find this recording on YouTube. Okay. My question is on the Haken Ash candles related to the formation of the 3 white soldiers and 3 black crows. No, they are not related. Robert, they are not related. The Haken Ash candles, okay? The Haken Ash candles, it is a type of candles that are different from this one. Normally, when we are doing technical analysis, we don't use Haken Ash candles. We normally use the normal candles. Okay, we normally use the normal candles because Haken Ash candles, they also act as should I say something that we can use for trading in terms of indicators. When Leader Julius is tackling that, I think you're gonna understand much better. But they are not in relation to what we are discussing now. Haken Ash candles, they are not a chart pattern. They are not a chart pattern. Joram said he saw a tweezer top and a tweezer bottom. Thank you so much. You can go and look at these chart patterns. They are there. What you need to focus or what you should consider is when the market has trended downward and it was going up, where it was rising to go up, what type of candles are forming there? Okay, that is the clue or the key that you need to focus. When the market has gone high up, okay, and it is changing direction to come to the downside, what type of candles are forming on that area of resistance? It's when you be able to find out these chart patterns that we are talking here. Am I making myself clear? But on Monday, we're gonna go and look for some of these chart patterns. They are going to help you. They're gonna help you when you learn how to draw support and resistance. And then you are entering using your support and resistance. When you see these candles forming, it means that journey of going upward or downward, it might come to an end. Though you have drawn your support and resistance, and probably it is showing you that no, you can enter one more time. But look at the type of candles that are forming right there. What do they signify? Okay? What do they signify? It's gonna really help you. All right. Yes. Anyone with a question before we come to the end of this class for today, being a Friday? Anyone with a question? Anyone with a question? Anyone with a question? Anyone with a question? What is this, guys? If I may ask you a question, what is this? These 2 candles? These 2 candles? Which family do they belong? These 2 candles here, which family do they belong? If I may do my screen like this, which family do they belong? Which family do they belong? Which family do they belong? I'm gonna do this more on Monday. I'm gonna do this more on Monday. Yes, identifying the chart patterns. Identifying the chart pattern. They belong to the Tweezer family. Yes, thank you so much. So it's a Tweezer bottom. It's a Tweezer bottom. You saw what happened there. The market went to the upper side. All right. So when you know these languages, you'll be knowing that, I think I can take 2% here. I can take 3% here. After you have already done your support and resistance, then you see that appearing. It is an opportunity for you. Yes. So I'm not sure. Let me check if Coach Julius is here. If Coach Julius is here, I don't know. Okay, he's not in the class. He has left. So we're gonna end our class for today here. We are going to meet in the next upcoming session. I'm sure it's going to be question and answer session. Yes, I think Leader Julius will lead that. I may not be available. So thank you so much for attending today's class. Let's meet in the coming Zoom and continue on Monday. Yes, don't miss out the Monday class when I'll be wrapping up on the candlestick chart patterns. Then the other coaches will come and start building on what I have built as a foundation. It's gonna help you as a trader. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely Friday. Yes, Juma Mubarak to our friends, to our brothers and sisters. Yes, happy. Yes, Juma Mubarak to you guys. We love you so much. Take care and be safe. Bye-bye.